Okay, so there's two spots for extra fuse boxes. The first one is down here, and another one is right here. So you have the battery. The battery is not dead because it starts. It cranks, but it doesn't start. So the first thing I'm gonna do is this fuse box has extra fuses that you can use. So in here it gives you instructions on the spare. These are your spare 10A and 10 and 15A. So you have 10A, 15A. I'm going to be replacing 15A to see if that would help. So to take the fuse boxes out, you have this right here, which comes out. So I took out the 15A fuse, and I'm gonna add in the extra one. And just push that right in. And then I think this is the fuse box that's no longer working, but I'm not sure. But for now, I'll set this right here. Close the box. Just to test it and see if that fixes it. The box isn't closed, but I'll come back to it. Okay. So I replaced 15A. I'm going to turn the key a few times. Nothing happens. So let me replace